Hi, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to be a Zoom moderator. So actually you just need to do a few steps to be a Zoom meeting moderator, and that will allow you to manage the meeting as you and the host want it to be managed, and that will allow you also to do things as well as the host. So first, you just need to sign in to your Zoom account, either on Zoom app, Zoom Workplace that you can get from Microsoft Store, or to sign in from the website. Alright. Secondly, the moderators only can join the meeting and they can't host one, because if you host one, you are the hoster and not a moderator. So, by entering your meeting ID or personal link name and your name that will appear on the meeting to the ones on it, and then once you finished, you will click on join. Alright, then you will copy paste the invite link to the to the other screen. I mean to the other window, and then boom, you will be on the meeting. Alright, so the only one that can allow you to be a moderator is the host. So let's consider that I'm the host. Alright, let's create a new meeting. Start. So we are by considering that I'm the host, I will have the option to turn you into the moderator of the meeting. So as you can see, and as we can all see, there are too many and too much options below. So we will go into participants, and let's consider also there is too many attendees on this meeting, and you are one of them. And let's consider that you are this one, and that's not me. Alright, so what the host should do is to go to this 3 points, and by click on this 3 points, he will have other options. um, one of them is one of them can allow you to be the meeting moderator. So by clicking on it, you will be the meeting moderator, and you can have the access to too many options, and you can manage the meeting with the host, and also you can help him with too many things. Anyways, that's the video. I hope this video helped you a lot, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And thank you so much for watching. See you next video.